How is it that some people are making thousands per month selling POD and digital products online, when others waste countless hours creating listing after listing and make almost nothing? Well, there is a new secret software that can shift reality and give you a massive advantage over everyone else in the seller space: Mydesigns. In this video, I'm going to explain the features and membership options in Mydesigns, and later, I'm going to show you how to get 25% off any paid memberships. Mydesigns is the only one of its kind and the best tool in existence for running your print-on-demand and digital product businesses, whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon, etc. Mydesigns will save you thousands of hours and is perfect for beginners as well as those who are already running successful online shops. And yes, they do have a free membership option. I'm dedicated to helping you better understand this world of selling online. So like and subscribe, and let's get started. How good! Now let's get into how Mydesigns operates. Then I'll go over each important feature and the difference in the memberships. And as promised, I'll show you how to save 25% off any paid membership. Mydesigns has a lot of features. So, in case you are feeling overwhelmed, rest assured, I have made in-depth tutorials to guide you step by step through the processes of using Mydesigns, and more videos are coming. Alright, here is how Mydesigns works. First, you'll create listings inside Mydesigns using the bulk upload, bulk editing, and bulk mockup tools, etc. Then you will publish your listings in bulk from Mydesigns to one or more of your online shops, Etsy and Shopify, etc. When a customer makes a purchase, the payment is made to your online shop as usual. Then Mydesigns magic happens. Mydesigns will charge your chosen payment method for only the costs of the item, leaving you with the profit. The item will then be printed and shipped automatically. If you are selling digital products, your customers will gain access instantly. That's the great thing about digital products. Once they are listed on your shop, it's basically all profit except the small listing fees from Etsy or whichever platform you've published to. Mydesigns does not charge processing fees, by the way. You only get charged for the cost of the print blank plus shipping and tax. You will include those costs in your listing price plus your profit on top. And that is how it works. Okay, finally, let's compare the memberships. Here are the 3 membership options offered. One is free and the other 2 are paid subscriptions. Like most subscriptions, you can toggle to pay either yearly or monthly. Before I continue, here is your prize. Should you ever decide on any of the paid memberships, enter this discount code for 25% off. That's LZ25. Thank you for watching this far. You've earned it. Okay, the memberships. Free is great for getting started and testing Mydesigns, which I definitely recommend. But of course, the free membership is very limited compared to the other paid memberships. Most people are going to get everything they will need from the Pro membership, which is why it is the most popular. I personally have the Pro Plus membership as I'm experimenting with the goal of maximizing what I can do with Mydesigns. But, like I say, the Pro plan is great for most serious online sellers in the POD and digital product space. If you scroll down, you can see a much larger list of features. Notice when you hover over this little icon, you get a nice little description of each. However, I am going to focus on several of the most important ones to give you a better understanding of Mydesigns without taking much more of your time. And fortunately, Mydesigns has organized that list for us here. We'll start with bulk processing. Bulk processing allows you to generate and publish multiple listings at once to your online shop. Generate meaning create mockups, choose product types, colors, sizing, pricing, etc. for multiple listings at a time. 4 listings at a time in the free membership, 48 in the Pro membership, and 120 in the Pro Plus membership. The Edit Data in Bulk feature. Mydesigns allows you to create and edit titles, descriptions, and tags, etc. in bulk. You can use variables and keyword links to implement unique data for each listing. For example, I can save my product design under a specific file name that describes the design. Then, using a variable, Mydesigns will implement that unique name into each listing. In the paid memberships, you'll have access to AI tools that can write your listing data for you. We'll get into that right after we talk about the last two features available in the free membership, the Canvas system and Dream AI. These are remarkable features in MyDesigns that just keep getting better. The Canvas system is a feature that allows you to create designs inside of MyDesigns, and it works very similarly to Canva. You have thousands of font and element possibilities, as well as being able to import your own art and vectorized files, etc. There are AI background removal and upscaling features that all work like a dream. In fact, MyDesigns removal tool always seems to do better than the background removal tool in Adobe's Photoshop and others. Oh, and there is a feature for quickly editing designs for your listings that offer personalization. But that is a subject for another video. I'm only scratching the surface on what is possible in the Canvas editor. Let's talk about Dream AI. Dream AI is included inside the Canvas editor, but you can also access it separately through your dashboard. Dream AI is a text-to-image and image-to-image AI art generator that runs on Stable Diffusion and Dall-E. Each choice offers style selection for the art you are generating. You can generate in low resolution to avoid using too many credits. Then, once you have generated a desired design, use the Upscaler to increase the image size and quality. And, of course, you can download any designs and files to your computer if you so desire. Speaking of credits, MyDesigns uses credits to balance the high cost of AI processing that happens in the background. Unused credits roll over to the next month, additional to the new credits. All right, now about the Vision AI and Phraiser AI features. The Vision AI feature can generate your listing data, tags and titles, etc. just by analyzing your design file. Incredible! It's basically an image-to-text AI that is trained on data from top-selling shops and writes your listing data for you. Phraiser AI came before Vision AI and is very similar. However, Phraiser generates listing data based off of a keyword. For example, you can use your design file name as the keyword. Both Vision AI and Phraiser AI can generate unique data on each listing for multiple listings at once. How good! Game changer! The Bulk Product Mockups feature. This feature allows you to choose and generate multiple mockups for each listing automatically through MyDesigns. MyDesigns has an extensive mockup library built in, and you can easily upload your own smart mockup PSD files. More on that in a future video. The Bulk Video Mockups feature allows you to create a unique mockup video based on the various mockups and images in each listing. Videos are very effective for listings, now shotgun style. The Digital Products feature is actually a full set of features for creating and listing, you guessed it, digital files. There is also a converter that can take one file such as a PNG or SVG, etc. and automatically convert it to a set of other file types. Multiple product publishing means you can upload one design and sell it on multiple types of products from one listing, such as t-shirts, mugs, pillows, etc., all on one listing. And lastly, the POD products discount means you get your print blank products at lower cost depending on your membership. Although they are already very well priced to begin with. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you the greatest success in your entrepreneurial journey. And please let me know in the comments which features you would like me to dive deep into next. Take care, friends. Cheers.